So today I'm going to be doing a dad makeover. I know my dad actually at the moment he needs his hair to be dyed, so I'm going to be doing it. Everything's going to be DIY. Alright, so Dad, are you excited?
Yeah.
So you guys can see this is the part where my dad needs to color his hair. This is actually the first time that I'm going to read the manual. So the first step is to use this one. Okay, so it says that you need to apply this on dry and unwashed hair. So I'm just gonna put that.
Whoa.
I don't know why.
Are you doing it now?
Yes, we are.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta rejoice, Father. This is gonna have a great outcome. I'm gonna put that on my hair. Now, we are going to be putting a solution here to mix everything. And are you ready, Father?
You're gonna poke my eye.
No.
Oh.
Okay, so I actually haven't tried using these types.
Oh my, so this is an experiment.
Kind of, but I know it's going to go well.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like this is actually a lot easier if I do this.
Ooh, this is an ordeal I have to overcome. Oh.
You're gonna be fine, Dad. It's a tip so that you actually won't color the parts of the skin. Put petroleum jelly so that the color won't transfer on the skin, especially in this area right here.
Look at that. I look like a Korean grandpa.
Korean grandpa. Daddy, do you want to enlighten them with your wisdom?
With my wisdom?
Yeah. What have you learned in your, 58 years of like being alive in this planet?
Right now, my wisdom is kind of interrupted with the
The hair dye.
With the hair dye.
The color is oxidizing.
This time I look like a national hero.
You're no longer a Korean grandpa?
Yeah. You know, my daughter is a very generous lady. When she gives you something, she gives it like she gives you too much. Yeah. When she buys food for me, she gives me too much. And when she dyes my hair, she does it too much.
Dad, no, it's actually just enough.
Alright.
Father, it's just enough. Now you have to wait for at least
3 minutes.
No, 30 minutes.
What?
Yes, Father.
30 minutes?
Yes, Father. Now actually, since we're waiting, I will have to dye your eyebrows.
No.
I'm kidding, no.
What is that? It looks like a tiny Chinese weapon.
What do you mean? Okay, I have to brush this up. It's okay, Dad, you're gonna be fine. Your eyebrows are gonna grow back.
She always says that.
Your eyebrows are gonna look so fly. Do you know what's fly?
It's just another term.
I know, right? We're taking off the excess. We're grooming them eyebrows. Alright, so at least they're now groomed.
Well, this is for the sake of my daughter. She'll have this, complete satisfaction right after this.
Dad, this is a treat for you.
Okay. What kind of treat?
Like a facial treatment.
Are you sure? Because they say there's a bad treatment, there's a good treatment, there's a fair treatment.
It's definitely a good treatment.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll just accept this, receive this.
Yeah, accept that it's happening right now.
Yeah, it's happening.
And you can't do anything about
It's
it.
real time.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the result right here. I actually think I did a pretty good job, Dad. And also, I didn't like leave those marks right here.
You
so
did. You did a good job.
Right? That's
Two
good.
thumbs up.
Yay! Okay, now for the face. Okay, so my dad has, he has cleansed his face and all that, but, however, we're still going to be using the Sakura Bloom Brightening Peeling Gel. Okay, so you'll notice that your skin is going to somewhat exfoliate. You see that? That is, according to this thing, a dead skin cell, so...
What? What do you mean? There are dead skins?
Yeah, there's
cells
dead...
in my face?
Yes.
Right now?
Yeah.
Give my dead soul some decent burial, you know.
It would actually be nice to remove the dead skin cells so that any product that we apply after, your skin is really going to absorb it. So, do you feel like your face is new?
Well, I think so. How do you know that my face is new? Did you change it? Did you remove my face? We call that face off.
Alright, so Dad, we're gonna be using some collagen juice mask on your face. Are you up for this?
Well, I have no place to go. I have nowhere to go. I'm just stuck here with her.
That's what it looks like. You're gonna look like...
What is that?
No, it's a mask.
That's a buoy.
No, I know. You're gonna look like a robber, but that's totally fine.
I will look like a robber.
Yeah.
You mean a thief?
So this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna look like a panda, Dad.
It looks like Freddy.
Okay, I'm gonna put this.
Gosh.
I'm telling you, you're going to feel so much better after this. I'm sorry, it's your eye.
Yeah, it's my eye.
It's not bad as you think it is.
My gosh.
Men rarely do this at all with their face. So this is actually a really great treat for you, Father.
Yeah.
For your skin and all that.
Let's get this over with.
Dad,
Yeah.
afterwards you're gonna feel like your skin is so soft and smooth and super moisturized.
You say moisturize, you mean I have a dripping face?
No, it's going to be just a face that is moisturized.
Could I speak like the robot again? I am the new model of the robot. And soon, right after I'm groomed, I'm going to rule humanity.
Father. Alright, you guys, so now we are going to take this off. There we go.
Woo.
Now I know your face kind of feels like that, but they said to let all of this actually absorb on your skin, so we're not going to remove that. Just let your skin absorb, put it down.
Well, look at that. I look like about 20 years younger.
Right? You glow in, Father, you glow in. Like, we'll do it how like the facial people do it. Just have to let that dry and absorb on your face before we put the mist. Oh my gosh, Father, feel your face.
Ooh.
Feels so soft, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
My face feels like my butt.
It's such a baby skin, baby butt skin. Okay, so the last step is to use the Sakura Bloom Hydrating Skin Booster. And I'm just gonna spray this all over your face, Father. Close your eyes. Just spray that all over your face. Feel the hydration. Now open your eyes and do this. Do this so you can feel the hydration. Hydration. Feel the hydration. I'm gonna apply serum on my dad's face and I'm gonna let you all see the finished result tomorrow. I actually made this DIY. This contains rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E. I'm gonna apply this on the areas right here underneath the eyes. My dad is going to get his beauty rest for now, and tomorrow I'm gonna let you all see my dad's finished result in the morning. And actually, I don't know if it shows on the camera, but here in real life, his skin looks really good.
Signing off.
See you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so here is the finished result. And Dad, how does your skin feel like today?
Well, it's smooth, it's light, and it's not sticky.
It's not sticky. Yep, and also you guys check out the hair. There you go, so you guys can see the hair is newly dyed, it's fresh. And then turn to the other side, Father, please. Right here, so you guys can see, that's what it looks like. There you go, and also the hair of my dad feels very, very soft. Did you like your whole makeover-ish pampering session, Dad?
I love it.
If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also let us know in the comments down below if you want more videos with my dad. Okay, so that is it, y'all. I will see you on my next video. Bye!